Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrodzinski with your Week 8 Screencast video. I've also posted up the schedule in this week's announcement along with the screencast. Everybody should be well aware of what's due this week because I did post this along with the Week 7 schedule. So you want to make sure you are consistently checking your COD email and the Grade Center throughout this week and into the weekend, please. If there is a problem where I cannot see a document, be sure you attend the Grade Center and check your email. I will not be posting a lecture video this week. All right, so we're covering everything here. So Tuesday, end of day, we have the final draft for the research essay is due. Also on Friday, which is the last official day of this course, everything closes on Friday the 16th, especially the final research essay that'll probably stay open for a few days. The final letter, social practices and participation, that is due Friday and that ends on Friday. The course officially ends. Check registration. It ends Friday, end of day. All right, so I think I've said that enough. So heading over to the course units, I've moved some things around. For some of you, I really stress looking at using and citing sources unit in Blackboard. I've commented on all the consultation first drafts that were uploaded. Many of the drafts that I looked at could use some help about using and citing sources. Be sure you're familiar with the 3 principles of citation. Make it the 4th principle of citation, the cross-reference, how to introduce sources and announcing the speaker. I've got some older videos in here from previous courses about using and citing sources. So please, if I commented in your draft about this, you should make yourself aware of the resources really in using and citing sources. In a 8-week course, it is very difficult to cover all of these aspects in the regular weekly lessons. So I'm sure everybody's had an opportunity to finish up discussion board 8. I believe that all closes out Tuesday end of day, so make sure you have your responses. I believe everybody acknowledged that exercise 5.1 was helpful in looking at how active or not active they are in their first drafts. Also, please be aware, introducing the research essay assignment. Read through the criteria for the final draft, right? Please do not think just because you got 50 out of 50 and meeting the criteria for the consultation draft or their first draft of your research essay that it's the gateway into a grade here. This research essay is assessed differently. So you want to make sure you look at the sample essay. You want to look at all the criteria here. Don't take for granted that a good grade on the first draft or the consultation draft will equate a good grade on the research essay. Different criteria altogether. So be aware of that. Also, getting into week 8, our last unit here, please review the social practices and participation final exam. This is indicated in the syllabus, right? And these are the criteria. So I am looking for you to draft a letter to me, right? About 500 to 600 words telling me how, all right, man, you want you to show me how you've met these criteria in this course over the semester. I believe that this is worth, I believe it's worth like 50 points on this particular activity. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a Google Doc link uploaded to the assignment by Friday. End of day. Let me go here. Yes, final letter upload. So please upload the GDoc link to your final letter about your social practices and participation by clicking on the right submission button. Be sure the letter is formatted according to the assignment instructions. So you are writing me a letter. Copy and paste your GDoc link here. So this is where you would upload that, your GDoc link, or I should say your GDoc letter. If you look in the social practices and participation final exam, here is your format. So I am looking for you to write me a letter. This is a correspondence format. I want to remind everybody I do teach English 1105, workplace writing, have for many years now. So this is a format for correspondence. Please do not rip off my form. If you want to, just copy and paste it into a G-Doc here. This is the format. Here you go. So it's going to be your name, your address, town. I don't want specifics. You can make up anything. The date, my name. You can use COD's address right there. That's fine. Mr. Okrzinski. Then begin typing your text here. I want 3 paragraphs using single space, no first line indent. This is not an essay. This is a letter. That being said, you should have sincerely, and then also you can use some script to sign your signature of your name. And of course, underneath every signature, a name should be typed. So this is the format for your final exam, right? So you want to make sure you have that uploaded in the social practices and participation folder. Grab that GDoc link and make sure it's viewable by me, and then upload that here for the final assignment, right? Be sure to be checking your email, because if it's not a public link and I cannot view it, you will get a 0 on this particular assignment. And like I said, I believe that's 50 points according to the syllabus on that. I will double check that, but I just want to make sure that you are aware how important this final assignment might be. I have students that blow this off. I have students that upload a GDoc link that I cannot see. I will look at these as they come in. I will send you an email along with grading it accordingly. Oftentimes when students think they finished a course, it is out of sight, out of mind. They don't check email or their grade until it's posted. All right, so that being said, it's been a great 8 weeks. Be safe. Good luck in wrapping up the end of the semester here. And I hope the other 8 weeks at COD in this fall semester work well for all of you. Good luck.